All right, guys, so part of flipping a property, if you're using OPM, which is other people's money, you have to go through either a bank or a private lender. In this case, I'm using a bank and a private lender. The private lender got me into the deal using down payment money, closing cost money, and all holding cost money and fees. I'm using a bank, which is my hard money lender, who's financing the rest of the 80% purchase on this property and all of the rehab costs. On this job, we had slated $100,000 to get this project done. Right about now, we're probably gonna need about $10,000 more because we are running into some overages here or there. But that's why I always bake in an additional 10% on every job that I do. So because this job initially was gonna cost me $100,000, I already knew in the back of my mind, if I don't make that $100,000 mark, I'm gonna need another $10,000 to get this project done. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna show you guys exactly how my hard money lender uses inspections and photos to make sure that they can get me my draw on time. What your draw is how you receive money from the bank. So most hard money lenders will do a 4-draw process. The first draw will be pretty much fronted by you. So I had to pay $22,500 to get the project started. I had to front that money out of pocket so that I could go ahead and start the project, so that once that first draw was spent on demo and rough and plumbing and electrical and things like that, I then was able to go to my bank and say, hey, all this work was done. Can you reimburse me for my draw one? So what we did, what I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing now, is how we're gonna use this website called, or this application called Sitewire. Sitewire is how my company does their draw process and make sure that I request the right amount of money for this project. So this is draw 3 that you see right here, right? Currently, I have requested $13,100, and what I did was I already took some photos of the framing, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly how we're gonna do photos of the plumbing system and maybe some other photos of the framing just to walk you guys through the process. But for this request, they're making me do a photo of the front of the house, which I already did here, as you can see. I did 1 photo, 1 video. I did an entire video walkthrough of the property, 4 different videos there. Earlier today, I took videos of the framing and I requested $13,100 for our framing. Here's all my videos. And the last thing we're gonna do is do some photos of the plumbing. So we're gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I request money for my plumbing. Let's go. We're in the basement and we're gonna walk you guys through exactly how I request my draw. So I already showed you guys how I submitted $13,100 draw request for this current phase of the project. Next is the plumbing systems. It says proof requested. You can't request money from your hard money lender without showing proof that the work has been done. Also, this hard money lender, like let's say I were to request $10,000, they charge me a fee of about $175 per draw request that I put out. So that's just, it is what it is. The bank always wins in real estate. You can't get around it. So whatever it is. Plumbing systems, here it is. You can see my budget. I initially have $9,365. Obviously, it's a little bit higher than that. But we're going to request all of that money and use whatever overages we have from the other draws to backfill this for being $11,300. So here we go. You can see it says install new plumbing according to building plans, new and full bath and laundry. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go in the back of the house here, take a quick video, bring my light. And we're just going to take a video to show my hard money lender that we actually did the rough and plumbing. There you go, it's counting down. There's the drain pipes, toilet flange, nothing for the vanity. And then we're gonna go this way and show them with our light that we actually have the trench. Voila, got the video. All right, now it's asking for 3 photos, 0 of 3. So we're gonna take 3 photos. That's a pretty good one right there, right? There's 1. I'm gonna go on this side here. We're gonna show them this little piece here. There's 2, and we're gonna go back in here and take a photo of the rest of this roughing. You got it all done. So request amount, I can either request part of this amount or more, but obviously I'm not going to, so it's gonna be $9,300. Available $0 now, and the full budget's in there. You can add notes if you want to, which is pretty cool. Click done, go back, and you'll see it added all the amounts. So now my draw for draw 3 is gonna be $22,465 minus $150 or whatever they charge for the fee of doing the inspection. So we're gonna go ahead, click submit. You're requesting a draw of $22,465 for 2 items in your budget. Yes, I am. Give me my money. Complete. Let's go. All right, so we just submitted our draw. Got a nice little confirmation there from them saying your request for whatever has been submitted. And that's how you submit your draw request through SiteWire, guys. Again, a draw request is pretty much you asking for a chunk of money from your bank to pay your contractors to do the job that they're doing for you and for your clients. So that's what a draw request is. That's how I submit my draws. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. It'll help the channel out a lot. Peace.